All right, it's been a while since we've looked at this one right here, FWDG, and sure enough, it was actually requested twice now, and I told the person that actually requested this, I apologize because it got lost in translation or I didn't get to it. One of the two. I put down every ticker that's requested. If we could just can't get to it, I roll it over into the next one. And evidently that's what I did with this one. But anyways, look at this. This is the last time that we've looked at this one. Is going to be January 27th. And I said 0002, hold for 0003s to start hitting. I would definitely put this one on your watch list here. You guys are flipping over to, it's been bullish and it flipped over to bearish and then bullish or bearish again and then bullish. I would watch this one for sure. I think it's setting up personally, FWDG. But, the only thing that you're going to need is this buying. Okay, so you did get to 0003s. Now you got that confirmation. Watch for the buying. And once you see that buying starting to come in, you'll know because evidently on the 28th of February, right here, you guys had that solid day of buying coming in and just dropped off, which is odd in my personal opinion. Usually when you start moving like that, you guys hit radars and it starts moving. So going back into where you were at here, you haven't touched these levels since February 2015. Or I'm sorry, November 17th, 2015. That's a long time. That is a very long time for a stock like this to just go dormant for so long and just start moving again. So FWDG, guys, keep this one on your radar here. 0002 right now. We got the 0003s a hitting. We got that confirmation, something setting up here. Watch for the buys to come in. I'm not putting on a technical analysis alert right now just because of the fact that just not enough buying coming in right now. If it was at 0003 with steady volume, it would be, but not right now. It's close to it, but watch it.
So I was just looking over at something. You said that the January 27th was the last time we looked at it. So I don't see any recent press releases. The last one they had for a press release was on January 17th, 2017. But I am seeing a 10Q that was published on February 14th, 2017. I just pulled it up really quick. I wanted to get an idea of where they go and how they're doing. Not really seeing any. They don't have much for cash on hand, but what's catching my attention right here is something that they didn't have before, or they did before. It was related party receivables on here. So the cash is down. They're negative $1,439, but this related party receivables, it's up from 26,100 to right now it's 261,450. I don't know what that is, so I'm kind of scrolling down and look. It's called intercompany billing. Because in 2015 they had 0 for that, and then 2016 it's 261,450 for the gross profit. It's basically shown in that 10Q. So if you want to research more on this company, obviously you basically go and look into what they're doing. Obviously follow back on things. I should go through this quarterly right here. All right, so as always, if you have an opinion on the company or you want to research more on it, I'll actually give you a brief description of the company too, because it's been a few months. Or at least you'll know what they do, because maybe that will explain that inter-party billing thing.
Right.
All right, so FutureWorld is the leading provider of advanced solutions to the cannabis industry globally. FutureWorld, together with the subsidiary CB Scientific, Hemp Tech, Vape focuses on the identification, acquisition, development, and commercialization of cannabis-related products, such as industrial hemp and medical cannabis. Hemp Tech, a subsidiary of FutureWorld, is a technology division catered to the cannabis and the industrial hemp market. Hemp Tech provides smart sensing technology, communications network, surveillance security data analysis for smart cultivation and consultation for the industrial hemp and legal medicinal marijuana. Our wireless agricultural smart sensor networks offer precision to the agricultural irrigation systems and greenhouses for the global hemp industry. FutureWorld is a subsidiary, and its subsidiaries do not grow, distribute, or sell marijuana. So I'm guessing that thing right there has something to do with one of their their companies that they have, one of their subsidiaries. You know what I mean? Because how it's written up like that. So obviously, yeah, do your due diligence over there. You could go over and right on that FWDG board, you can pull up the recent news and kind of go back on that stuff, go back on their old filings, and if you have an opinion, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that are using the site daily over on the FWDG board on Investors Hangout.
All right, there you go with the chart again. 0002. Watch for 0003s to start. Watch 0003s hit confirmed. It's setting up, in my opinion. Wait for the buying pressure. I mean, you guys had that confirmation that I was looking for. The resistance at 0003 and support 0002. You're really still down there at the bottom. I mean, anything that stabilizes is going to be either resistance or support, especially in the trips like this. But either way, FWDG, make sure you keep an eye on it. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with the hottest stocks in the market. Share this video. We would appreciate it. If you have a hot stock you would like to share with us, for us to take a look at in live time, just like we're doing right now, head over to investorshangout.com/live.